How to play co-op in Delta Force Black Hawk Down. The first thing first, you should be able to play and download Delta Force via Steam. But take note that Delta Force and Black Hawk Down is actually separate. Now you will have an option just to play with Delta Force, and you will also have an option just to play Black Hawk Down. But the very main thing that you need to download first is of course Delta Force. Once you launch the application via Steam, that is where you can download Black Hawk Down directly from inside of the game on Delta Force. Once you successfully downloaded Black Hawk Down, just simply launch it via Delta Force on Steam and then just simply go into Black Hawk Down mode. Once you're there, you will only be seeing three options like fighting alone, co-op, and quick match. Go on co-op, invite your friends, make a private server, or join any lobby. And that's how you play co-op in Delta Force Black Hawk Down.